Welcome back to Language Art with Star, where we light up language one word at a time. Do you know that earthy smell after it rains? It has a beautiful name. It's called Petrichor. P-E-T-R-I-C-H-O-R. Petrichor. So the next time somebody says, "I love the smell of rain," or "I love how the rain smells," you can say, technically, that's Petrichor. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to give it a like, share with friends and families, and in case you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I drop a new video. I'll see you in my next.